To create a unique discount code for a business, just go to the website, log in into the site, and we're going to use a sample sales associate again, and click on discount codes once you're logged in. It gives you all your discount codes, and you're going to click on add new discount code. Now you have all this information here that you need to fill out. Discount code has to be at least 8 characters. So for example, we're going to do a special one for McDonald's. Let's just call it MacD 0 and like that. And we are going to discount this price to $0, for example. Now the reason we do that is because when we are selling the cards to a business, for example, there's a business that has 20 employees, and they say, yeah, we want to get cards for all of our employees. What is going to happen, what needs to happen is they need to pay for all of those cards up front. So $99 per card times 20, so we're talking $1,998 or something like. No, it's a little bit less than that, but it's about $2,000. They pay for that up front. So then we create this discount code that is just for them. So when their employee signs in with this code and wants to get his digital business card, we're not going to charge them. That's why we discount the price to $0. So, but then we say maximum numbers of uses left. Well, they're only buying 20 cards, so we're going to set this to 20. So now automatically, every time this code gets used, this number gets deducted by 1. We also say this is a business setup. And the reason we're going to do that is that changes the dynamics of the card. If somebody buys a card totally on their own, they have the power to change all of the information on that card. But if it's a business, then the employee should only be able to change their picture, their personal phone number, their email address, maybe the color scheme of that card. So it's very limited to what they can change. Now the business is in charge of all the custom tabs and all the business information that is on that card, because that needs to be consistent with every single employee. So when you say this is a business setup for this card and you click submit, it's going to ask you immediately, and sorry for this bad layout here, but there's going to be a username password for the business side of this card. So with this username password, somebody from the business is going to be able to sign in, put in the business logo, put in the business information, create custom tabs, and so that you actually have to set that up here. So we could actually just go, we're just going to call this McDonald's, and the password is Happy Meal, whatever. And then we click setup. So we have to make sure, of course, we give them that information. So we go back to discount list. So as you can see here, there's the information, and it says you got 20 left. The business setup is turned on, and I can either edit or delete it here as well. For example, they use all of their 20 cards, and they now have more employees, and they're trying to get their cards, but it's not working because this code doesn't work anymore. They come back to you and say, hey, can we buy another 20 cards? Then at this point, this says 0. You can just go into this code and click edit, and then change it to from 0 to 20, and click submit. And so if I go back, if this, it now says 0, I just click edit. I just got paid for those 20, and I click submit. And now I got 20 uses left on that card, on that code again. So the code doesn't get, disappears after they use it. So it's all still there. Start date, end date, those are, if you create a code, for example, if you do a trade show and you want to do a special for that trade show, then you can create a code just for that, and then you set a start date, end date, and the code only works within those parameters. Now here's the thing, you can never ever create a discount code with a discount price other than 0, $149, $49, $75, or $99. if you create a discount code that if you say at new and you create this to $67, that code will automatically not work. So make sure that that does not happen. You should not create any discount codes on your own ever, except if you're working with a business. And in that case, it's probably best you contact us at the main office so we can help you and assist you in how to set that up. Okay, so that is how to add a discount code to your discount code list.